the signs. Ay, still not understand.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is another video with me. Today we are up to some shenanigans. This is me because I have promised myself this year that I was going to show up more on YouTube. The problem isn't even with making videos, the problem is actually with editing and uploading these videos, because I can easily film myself, but then when it comes to editing, it's actually very time consuming, and then when it comes to uploading, there is the anxiety that creeps in. So this is your cue to engage with this video if you are seeing it, so that my anxiety will die as I'm trying to show up more for YouTube. All of the anxiety that would hold me back on a norm will die this year. Abby? Good. So guys, I want to quickly do a few unboxing. I've got some items from all over the place. Not really all over the place, but I've got like a lot of items recently that I've not had the time to unbox. Guys, if I could buy time, I literally would not mind, because these days it feels like the clock just keeps ticking and no stop. Like when people actually say 24 hours of the day is not enough, I can totally relate at this minute, because my own 24 hours feels like 2 minutes. I am sleep deprived, I am stressed, it feels like I have 1,000,001 things to do, but this is not the video to talk about that. This is not the video. I wanted to show you guys this blood sugar sensor I got on. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, this is a mini, it's called the Libra Fiber 3, I think, or Libra 3 and blood sugar blood monitoring sensor. And I don't know why I got it. I'm not diabetic, guys. If anything, I've had this on for like a week plus, and if anything, I think I found out that my blood sugar is very low. Like I can't count the number of times the sensor has gone off because my blood sugar is really low. And I don't know if it's because I'm sleep deprived, because I know I'm eating well. Like I'm not really the kind of person that eats a lot of, I'm not sweet tooth, right? I'm not the sweet tooth type, but I eat well. And you know, our Nigerian food now is filled with carbohydrates, so I was really expecting to like have a normal to high blood glucose level, but within sensor, what I've noticed is that my blood sugar level is very, very low, and I don't know why, and I don't know what to do about that. Why did I get the sensor on? It was a project in the hospital, so I'm currently like, was a project in the hospital, and we were doing some trainings, and I just had it on. So it wasn't like I was sick or anything. I just had it on due to the training that we're having, and we just wanted to like show people samples of how it's used or how it's being used. So yeah, guys, that's it. Tell me, guys, I don't know why my blood sugar is low. I don't know. But if you know, or if you think you know, tell me. I probably need to go and read on it, but I don't know if sleep deprivation can affect one's blood sugar levels, because I know it's definitely not about food. I know I don't take sugary things, but I don't think it's about that. See the way I'm saying I don't know why, like I'm not the healthcare professional. I should know better, but in this case I don't know better. So if you know, tell me. This is the video to do some unboxing right now, so let's get to that. So guys, I'm really going to be quick about the unboxing because I do not intend to bore you guys. First, we're unboxing the Dr. Martens. I don't know, is it Dr. M Martens or Dr. Martens Airwear? I don't know, but yeah, first of all, this is what we are unboxing. Let's be quick. Man, these are sleek. I'm not even going to lie. I'm not gonna lie. And this is one of my Christmas presents. Guys, this very large box. Can you guess what is inside? This very large box. There is literally no reason why a tiny, not tiny, but why a small parcel should be in this kind of big box. Like, it's just too dramatic. But this is one of the gifts I got for my partner as Christmas gift, which this is how many months after Christmas, but the gift is still with me. This is what happens when you are doing long distance relationship. Let me buy gift for person. I missed it. They open the gift. What does it say? Good things come in yellow boxes. Seriously, guys, we need to talk about why men's things are super expensive. Like, if you want to buy a gift for your man, you literally should be ready to break the bank. And I don't get it. Like, they do say that women are pricey, women are this, but women, how much to buy gifts for me? How much is me myself? But if you want to buy a man a gift, and these men they have high taste. It's crazy. Like, my partner asked for his wish list, and he asked for his Christmas wish list, and the list he gave to me, I cannot buy anything inside that list except I sell myself. But Jesus has paid the price for me. So should I be opening somebody's gift? I don't think it's a good thing, because then he doesn't get to unbox it first, which is not nice. But I can't open the box. Well, I finally did. I'm not going to scatter this box, because if there's one thing I don't know how to do is arrange stuff. So I'm going to just leave it as it is. This is such, like, the quality of this bag, it's it's doing me to just wrap myself inside it. But I don't want to unbox this thing, because if I unbox it now, I will not. Oh my god, look at that shoe, guys. Look at that shoe. I think it's solid, Abby. Solid, I think. This is it for the unboxing video, guys. Don't stop watching here. I've still got a lot more packed in store for you in this vlog, so keep watching. I hope you've hit the subscribe button by now. If you haven't, do make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on my post notifications so you get alerted every time I post a video, because you know why? This is not the year you want to keep missing my content. So hit the subscribe button and keep watching. So guys, it's Saturday today. My kitchen is so cold and all the doors are closed, so I feel like my voice is kind of echoing. So I'm just going to open this door. Yep, door opened. So guys, what's on the agenda today is, why is this not bright enough? So what's on the agenda today is, it's currently 15 minutes past 10. And I've done all of my morning routine. I've done Bible studying, journal, I've done my weekly reflection, and it's time to make breakfast. I'm really not a breakfast person, but I've been craving akara and moi moi recently. Starting to wonder at this point if I'm pregnant, because the way the craving has been holding me, it's crazy. Anyways, like I said, I've been craving akara and moi moi, and this morning I'm going to be trying. I don't have the strength for moi moi this morning, so I'm going to be making just akara, but I'm going to be using red lentils this morning, and that's because I've read so many reviews about this, and that it tastes, smells, look, feels everything the same like beans. So that's why I'm trying it. I've had it since, I bought this since last year actually, but I've actually not had the time to try it out. So I'm going to be trying it this morning, and of course I'm going to be trying it with you guys. Hopefully it's not a case of what I ordered versus what I got. Heads up anyways, all the times I've tried to make akara even with beans, it has always come out in premium tiers, because apparently, even though I am a good cook, bragging moments, akara is one thing that I'm actually terrible at making. It's always so flat. But I don't know. I just, even if it comes out flat, even if it comes out terrible, I shall just want it to taste like akara today. So we're going to be trying akara with red lentils, and that's all for the agenda for today. So let's get into making breakfast. Not smelling like beans at all, but let's see what we've got here. So this is what we've got so far. The rest of it is still on fire. Let's give it a go and see. I feel like the inside is not properly cooked, but then it was already getting too brown. But let's see. I wasn't wrong. The inside is not properly cooked. I'll give it a 7/10 because I really didn't put effort. Like I literally put zero effort into making this meal this morning, but it does taste almost like akara, but not like the akara from your favorite roadside seller. But for the fact that I put zero energy, zero effort into making this meal, that's why I'm giving it a 7/10. It's not that bad. Anywho, I was supposed to make this with some pap, but I forgot to get pap from the African store. So I'm going to be eating this with Gary this morning. What a ghetto life. So that's what I'll be eating this morning, and that's breakfast ready. This is just such a ghetto life that I'm living. This is why I need to get married fast so that somebody's son will be making breakfast in bed for me, and I will not have to be going through all of this stress. Peace out.